Today we shall be discussing refined sugar and natural sugars. Thanks to more awareness of how much sugar is hiding in packaged foods and new research on how harmful to our health the sweet stuff really is, many people are trying to eat less sugar. But sweeteners offered as a replacement are often just as bad for your health. Artificial sweeteners like Splenda, Sweet and Low, and Equal, and also sugar alcohols like xylitol, which can wreak havoc on your digestion. The best plan, of course, is to break up with sugar altogether. But what when you really just need a little sweetness? There are better options out there. Here we shall be discussing basic facts, what refined sugar is, and what is exactly natural sugars, and on sugar substitutes from natural resources. See the pictures on the right? There's a child eating watermelon, a sweet fruit, and a child eating candy bar. We can easily see that what is the right choice here. The sugar you find in a candy bar is very different from the sugar you find in an apple. That's because they are two different kinds of sugar. The sugar in a candy bar is added sugar, while the sugar in the apple or any kind of fruit is natural sugar. To understand the difference, let us first understand how refined sugar is made. Refined sugar is made from raw sugar that has undergone a refining process to remove the molasses, so-called impurities, and colored components. Raw sugar is a sucrose which is synthesized from sugarcane. The starting product, called raw sugar, is softened and dissolved. Then the components are separated to yield the white pure sugar, also known as table sugar or pure sucrose. What are natural sugars? Natural sugars are sugars that are found, naturally. This includes fruits, veggies, and honey. Types of natural sugars. There are several types of natural sugars in nature. Number one, fructose, found in fruits and honey. Galactose, found in milk and dairy products. Glucose, found in honey, fruits, and vegetables. Lactose, found in milk made from glucose and galactose. Maltose, found in barley. Sucrose, made of glucose and fructose and found in plants. Why natural sugar is good? Natural sugar is good because it is accompanied by fiber or protein and essential vitamins and minerals. These nutrients help to stabilize your blood sugar levels, which prevent you from feeling hungry soon after eating. Natural sugar is naturally occurring, which makes them healthy. Added sugars, however, are processed and can lead to weight gain. Few examples of natural sugars are dried fig, maple syrup, coconut sugar, jaggery, honey, dried raisins, fruits, jaggery powder, dates, stevia, and licorice. Let us go through benefits of eating natural sugars. Having this full package allows your body to slow down the absorption of fructose. It's also much harder to overdose on fructose in 10 apples compared to drinking 10 apples worth of fruit juice, as you'll feel fuller with the former. Imagine putting too much gas in your car. It will spill off the gas tank. Same happens when your body gets overloaded with fruit sugar. The liver can't use it all and it gets stored as fat. Over time, this can have serious implications on your health. In short, it's best to avoid added sugars and form of sugars like high fructose corn syrup and agave syrup. They deliver vast amounts of fructose and glucose at once and don't specify what ratio of glucose to fructose they use. It is therefore always advisable to avoid soda, eat fruits and veggies, and sweeten recipes conservatively with natural options like organic honey or maple syrup, the sugar that nature has provided. Having this full package allows your body to slow down the absorption of glucose. Imagine putting too much gas in your car, it will spill off the gas tank. Same happens when your body gets overloaded with fruit sugar. The liver can't use it all and it gets stored as fat. To get the fuel that your body needs, it's best to get the purest and most simple form of carbohydrates and get it from fruits and vegetables. Not only it will help you from overdosing on sugar, but it will also deliver some other much needed nutrients. Here we are saying that natural sugars are definitely better than refined sugars, but it's not that simple. Fructose can be just as harmful by itself as it is when it's combined into sucrose. What matters is the intake, which is how much your body actually uses it and in what form it's delivered. Here is a word of caution. While natural sugars are a healthy alternative to refined sugar, it does not give you the liberty to overdose on natural sugars. It's fair to say that too much of fructose, glucose, or sucrose will result in health issues. For more similar videos, click the buttons below. Stay tuned for the next video coming up soon. Top 10 reasons to avoid refined sugars.